Let's go! Morning face, sleepy eyes. Time to wake, big surprise.
I brush my teeth every day to keep the cavities away.
Start with brushing.
Make sure you brush in circles, just like this, to get your teeth super sparkly and
Brush
clean.
your teeth, little circles, nice and neat. Up and down and all around. Make that smile so bright you shine. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Count to 30, then you're done. Rinse and spit, you did it right. Toothbrush time is fun. So fun! Tiny train, flow the foam, rides the tracks all through your mouth. Front teeth, back teeth, don't forget the sides. Tongue gets
I brush my teeth every
tickled on
day
the cleaning
to keep the cavities
ride.
away.
Whoa! Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Little circles, nice and neat. Up and down and all around. Make that smile so bright
Make sure you brush in circles, just
Brush,
like this,
brush, brush
to get your teeth super
Count to
sparkly and
30,
clean.
then you're done. Rinse and spit, you did it right. Toothbrush time is fun. Yeah! Morning, nighttime, 2 times every day. Sugar bugs pack up when they hear you say 3, 2, 1, it's brushing time! Brushing time! Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Little circles, nice and neat. Up and down and all around.
I brush
Make
my
that
teeth
smile
every
so
day
bright you
to keep the
shine.
cavities away.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth.
Hooray!
Count to 30, then
Make sure you
you're
brush in
done.
circles,
Rinse and
just
spit,
like
you
this,
did
to
it
get your teeth
right.
super sparkly and
Toothbrush
clean.
time is fun.